Welcome back, investors and traders. Today we are going to look at a company called as Persistent Systems Limited. This is not a recommendation to buy this company. We are just trying to understand the business model of Persistent Systems. How is it placed in the overall IT sector? What is the business verticals? How they have performed in terms of revenue and profits in the last few years? What is the return on capital employed, etc. So this should not be taken as a buy recommendation at all. So here we can see that the revenue of Persistent is 13.2% YOY growth, 25% YOY is net profit growth, revenue 14.5% on a yearly basis. So this is quarter basis. This is a quarter basis, and this is yearly basis 14.5% YOY. Their revenues have grown, and PAT has grown 18.7% YOY. So this is the annual contract value booking is 316 million, ACV booking 1296 million, and the market cap and number of employees. So what is this company into? It is the company is into software, high tech and emerging industries, then banking and financial services, insurance, and healthcare and life science. So these are the three verticals that the company is operating into. They have got product and platform engineering, CX and design led transformation, cloud enabled enterprise modernization, data and artificial intelligence, and intelligent automation. So out of these three verticals, let us see what were the key wins in the quarter gone by. So software, high tech and emerging industries, it is spearheading IT transformation initiatives and developing AI ML applications for leading consumer intelligence companies. So this is one of the biggest wins in terms of vertical. Then enabling open source software porting and validation to support large data volume for cloud infrastructure. That is second part. And third part is setting up offshore research and development center. So this is as far as software, high tech and emerging industries concerned. Banking BFSI सेगमेंट में क्या हुआ है, डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में ये कंपनी करती है और ऑटोमेशन में करती है. उनका एक जेन एआई प्लेटफॉर्म है जिसके बेस पे दे आर वर्किंग फॉर लीडिंग इंश्योरेंस डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड रिस्क मैनेजमेंट फॉर्म. The second part in BFSI segment is driving new CRM experiences. The third is building next generation banking platform for new banks. So that is UK based fintech के लिए they are working on this. The third vertical is healthcare and life sciences, जिसमें developing modern data and analytics platform in collaboration with data warehousing firms. Then second is migrating clinical applications to unified cloud platform. So cloud पे migration का है ये. Building a centralized patient relationship management system. So these are the three verticals जहाँ पे what were the key wins in the last quarter. So Persistent System, they have got enterprise AI platform which is known as SISVA. So it accelerates digital engineering with AI powered platform. So this is the new platform in artificial intelligence that Persistence is working on. It leverages AI to address technical debt across both new and mid to stage software development. Software development में they are leveraging artificial intelligence. Then it delivers cost and time efficiency, improved quality and productivity, streamlines creation of project plans, and this platform has reduced release times by an impressive 25 to 35%. So इसमें क्या होता है कि जैसे सॉफ्टवेयर रिलीजेस होते हैं, जितने डिले हो गए रिलीज उतना कस्टमर को गो लाइव में डिले होता है, लेकिन ये प्लेटफॉर्म की वजह से दे आर एबल टू रिड्यूस द रिलीज टाइम्स टू 25 to 35%, विच इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यहाँ पे परसिस्टेंट ने एक लॉन्च किया है पॉपुलेशन हेल्थ मैनेजमेंट सॉल्यूशन यूजिंग माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एज्योर ओपन एआई सर्विस. यहाँ पे क्या है कि सोशल डिटर्मिनेंट्स ऑफ हेल्थ आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं फॉर पेशेंट्स, देन हेल्प पेशेंट रिसीव क्वालिटी केयर एट अ राइट टाइम, then extract unstructured data from EHR systems using natural languages processing to improve patient outcome. So ये unstructured data जो होता है उसको extract करके readable form में ये data extract करते हैं. Decreases 30-day readmissions up to 60%. So this is the as far as population health management solution is concerned. This is the tagline of Persistent Systems: See beyond, rise above. So this is the management philosophy is to look beyond in future. So what are the new technologies which are going to come in the future, and how Persistent System is going to help customers in trying to go the value chain so that they get productivity gains in their operations. So this is see beyond. So they are always looking into the future and with the new technologies, and rise above. So they are trying to see how the Persistence scales up in terms of the new technologies that they are which are coming which are getting discovered. This is an important slide where North America accounts for 80% of the revenues over here. North America, Canada, USA, and Mexico, Costa Rica. So that North America accounts for 80%, Europe accounts for 7.8% of the revenue, India accounts for 10% of the revenue, and rest of the world account for 2% of the revenue. This is an interesting chart from FY10 to FY24, how Persistent has grown. So they have grown at a CAGR of 17.3% in revenue terms, and revenue CAGR between 20 to 24 is 24%. So overall on from FY10 onwards 17% का revenue CAGR है, but last 4 years में 24% revenue, so that is accelerated in the last 4 years. If you see here FY20 onwards, if you see the growth here is around 24% in revenue terms, so which is in dollar terms also, so that is looks pretty impressive here. Here in this we are going to see how the EBIT and PAT margins are growing. So EBIT is this, so 14.3%, EBIT it is gone to 14.5% currently, and PAT margin if you see 11.3%, it is almost steady for 11.3%, and now it is steadily going up from 10.9 in quarter 2, quarter 3 11.5, quarter 4 is 12.2, so steadily increasing PAT margin. And here quarterly revenue percentage QOQ and YY growth, here we can see the QOQ growth is this orange color 11%, 5.8, 3.4 here in FY in the last quarter, whereas YOY growth if you see 44% in quarter 1 FY23, but now it is 13.2%. So here the out of the 3 verticals, the quarterly revenue in software, high tech and emerging industries is over here 6.3%, and in banking and financial services it is 7.6%, in healthcare and life sciences it is 39%. तो यहाँ पे आप देखोगे तो काफ़ी अच्छी ग्रोथ आ रही है, इन हेल्थकेयर एंड लाइफ साइंस में अच्छी ग्रोथ आई है लास्ट क्वार्टर में, तो विच इज टू बी नोटेड हियर. This shows that how many, what is the top 10 clients at percentage of total revenue. तो यहाँ पे आप देखोगे तो 40.7% was there in quarter 1, whereas it has gone down to 35% of revenue from top 10 clients, but अभी है 40% of revenue from top 10 clients, and large client count is greater than $5 million का annual revenue, it has gone up to 40 here. Sir, if you see the revenue mix here, BFSI segment contributed in last quarter 30.7%. So more or less BFSI segment is around 30 to 33% की बैंड में होता है रेवेन्यू मिक्स. हेल्थ केयर एंड लाइफ साइंसेज कंट्रीब्यूटिंग, अभी ये हेल्थ केयर एंड लाइफ साइंसेज का कंट्रीब्यूशन ऊपर जा रहा है, देखो 21, 19, 18, तो अभी ये 24.2 लास्ट क्वार्टर, तो ये दिस इज गोइंग अप. सॉफ्टवेयर, हाईटेक एंड इमर्जिंग इंडस्ट्रीज अराउंड 45%. एंड ज्योग्राफी में देखोगे तो नॉर्थ अमेरिका इज 80, यूरोप 7.8, इंडिया इज 10% एंड दिस इज 2%. सो नॉर्थ अमेरिका मोर और लेस कांस्टेंट अराउंड 80%, यूरोप हैज लिटिल बिट रिड्यूस्ड टू 7.8%, इंडिया इज रिमेन कांस्टेंट एट 10%. So here if you see client engagement size, जैसे 30 million plus clients, there are 6 clients which are having 30 million plus contributing to this revenues. 20 to 30 million से 4 client है, 10 से 20 में 7 clients are between 10 million to 20 million, 5 million to 10 million 23 clients are contributing, and 1 million to 5 million में 138 clients which are basically clients with annualized revenue of more than $250,000. और रेवेन्यू कॉन्सेंट्रेशन आप देखोगे तो टॉप 1 में 8% है, टॉप 50 में 67% है. यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं कि एट्रिशन रेट कैसे है. तो एट्रिशन रेट इन लास्ट क्वार्टर वाज 11.5%, so more or less attrition has come down. If you see here, it was at 19% in the last quarter of FY23, 19.8, which has come down. So attrition rate is coming down, which is a good sign. Utilization level of including trainees, so utilization level was around 78 to 80, so around 80% का इसका utilization level constant रहता है. So that was about Persistent Systems Limited. See beyond, rise above. So overall आप you can do some more research on this. Currently the Persistent system which was at 3500 has now come up, but this is not a recommendation to buy Persistent systems. We are just discussing about the business model of Persistent systems. Thank you very much for this, and kindly please press the like button if you like this video. Thank you very much.